In today's video, we'll be staying at the executive suite of Nagoya Hill Hotel, which is located right next to the Nagoya Hill Shopping Mall. So we are here at Nagoya Hill Hotel. You can see this very nice looking couch, and this is the hotel lobby where you will check in. So this hotel is literally a stone throws away from Nagoya Hill Shopping Center. That's right, Nagoya Hill Hotel is literally right next to Nagoya Hill Shopping Center. So stay tuned because we will definitely be exploring the Nagoya Hill Mall later on in this video. So we've got the suite room, and that's why we're on the executive floor. You can see that there's tables and chairs. There's even a lounge area here for you to do your work, to have a coffee, or to have a meeting. If you're having like a more serious meeting though, there is a boardroom that you can, I assume, book or something like that. But yeah, this is the sitting / dining area. Well, I'm not sure if you're allowed to dine. I'm sure you are. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, this is the wonderful executive level. And now I'm extremely excited to bring you guys along with me as we check out the suite rooms. You can see that there's a junior suite, and I am currently lost because I have no idea what room I'm in and I don't have a key card. Thankfully, the guy there behind me has the bags to my family and I, so I'm just gonna follow him. Well, this is the presidential suite. We're not gonna be staying in this one. Yeah, that's what it is. So the suite that we're staying at is the executive suite. As soon as you come in, to your right is the minibar and the pantry area. And to your left is the toilet. And what I really love about this toilet is, as you can see, there is a shower. Normally, when you think of suites, they normally have two toilets, but normally like the outside toilet only has a toilet. This one has a shower too, so somebody can shower here and somebody can shower in the master shower. Is that what you call it? In the master bedroom shower. And it's really spacious. Look at the amount. You can put all your amenities here. You can shave here, and obviously they've got an amenities kit. Oh, and obviously they've got your amenities kit, your glasses, your hair dryer. Woo. And here we are, the master bedroom. You've got your television, you've got the desk, and obviously you've got your king bed. Woo. And here's the main bathroom. So we've got your sink again, you've got your toilet. But this one does not have a rain shower. It's just got a bathtub and a shower head. So if you're the kind of guy who only showers with a rain shower, do people really do that? I don't know. But for me, let me know in the comment section. Do you guys prefer rain shower or this kind of showers? Normally, I like this kind of heads, but I'm not really a huge fan of showering inside the toilet bowl. Not inside the toilet bowl, inside the bathtub. Oh my days, who showers in it? For me, I prefer the outside toilet if I'm being 100% honest. Here we have the living room. They were very nice to provide us with a welcoming gift. So yes, there's one couch over here. There are two. You could genuinely sleep here, but we've got two extra beds coming. Not exactly sure where they're going to be placed. I assume it's going to be like over there. So remember the Nagoya Hill Mall I was mentioning? Yes, it's literally right there. From level 2, you can connect and go straight into the mall. I believe that is where it is, the connection. But yeah, we'll definitely be exploring that later in the video, so stay tuned. But apart from that, you can see the kampongs or the villages over there. You can see a mountain right at the back. If you know me, sea views are my favorite, but I still love this, ladies and gentlemen. It's really convenient, the fact that the shopping mall is right there, so you can go for lunch, dinner and breakfast there. Actually, there is hotel breakfast, so we'll be checking that one out as well. A chocolate mackerel. Don't mind if I do. What's this? It's like some jelly thing. It's a kueh, Malay kueh. So we're now going to be exploring the Nagoya Hill Mall. So right now we just left our room, and let me show you how to get from your room right to the Nagoya Hill Mall. In the lift, don't go to level 1, but go to level 2 where the musala is, because that is the place which connects straight to the Nagoya Hill Mall. We out here in level 2. So when you walk straight, you will see this beautiful chandelier. It's especially nice at night. And over here, if you just walk straight, you will see a toilet and a musala. But for those of you who are going to the shopping mall, turn to your right, left, I don't know. There's more sitting area here. And then there we go. This is the doors which will lead you to the Nagoya Hill Shopping Center. So you can see over on that side there are shop houses, but over here is the mall. So we've got salons, we've got pop-up booths, we've got lots and lots of spas, we've got like donut places. There's unlimited food spots here for you. All this, ladies and gentlemen, is only on the outside. We haven't even gone on the inside. When you go in, you can see that there's a massive sale. And again, many different shops, apparel shops, sport shops, anything and everything you can ever imagine. And there are also many cafes as well as layer cakes. Now, layer cakes are better known in Indonesia as kueh lapis is like super popular here in Batam especially. So if you're in Indonesia, if you're in Batam or wherever, you can't leave Indonesia without trying kuih lapis. Or is it kek lapis? I hope I'm calling it the right thing, but anyway in English it's called layer cake. That's all for tonight, and we'll be continuing with more hotel content right now. And here we are at level 2. Let's continue with the tour. And over here there's a nice view of the chandeliers, but let me show you what they look like at night, because trust me ladies and gentlemen, at night they look a million times better. And over here is the convention hall, so if there's any events, weddings, etc., this is where it'll be taking place. And now ladies and gentlemen, let's head into the fitness and health club. So as you can see, we're now here in the gym of Nagoya Hill Hotel, and if you're towards this side of the gym, you can see a nice view of the swimming pool. And then over here obviously you're surrounded by mirrors to check yourself out, flex those biceps, and even check your weight to see if you're making any progress. Well, if you're not, trust the process, be patient, you'll never see results overnight. Anyway ladies and gentlemen, this isn't a gym channel or workout channel, so let me just continue my tour of this gym. So obviously you've got your cardio machines, the treadmill, the bicycles, so you're 100% able to get a really good workout in here. So ladies and gentlemen, no excuse to skip your workout. Be sure to come down through the Nagoya Hill gym when you're staying here. And yeah, as you can see, it's pretty empty right now. It's about 12:30 PM right now and it's empty. So yeah, everyone's out for lunch right now. Towards the left, there is the spa area. I'm not going to record the inside of that, but yes, ladies and gentlemen, there is a spa in the hotel. So after putting the work in and getting a nice workout, maybe you want a massage, you can just treat yourself to a massage at their spa over there. And as you walk out of the gym, you will be greeted with the swimming pool. So there's a kids pool as well as your regular pool. Yes, again, it's empty. It's a Friday afternoon. Why is no one here? Isn't it like a nice time to chill? Or probably be more, it's not Friday, it's Saturday. It's a Saturday afternoon and it's empty. I guess everyone's out shopping, eating and relaxing, because you know Batam is really popular for spas. As you can see, I just went for a haircut and a facial. But yeah, the pool does look really refreshing. So if you want to get your swim in, if you want to spend time with your family, this is the place, ladies and gentlemen. And you can see a view of the Nagoya Hill Mall. And that over there is where all the salons and the spas are. Now we're going to level 3 for the hotel breakfast. Yes, and here's a look at the hotel breakfast. So it's what you would expect at most hotels, a nice buffet with everything and anything that you could ever imagine for breakfast. We've got your salad, we've got your nasi lemak, and one thing that I noticed about this hotel is that the egg station is actually already prepared for you, which means that you don't have to actually wait for the eggs to be prepared. Now let me know in the comment section if this is something that you like. I know some people want the eggs only freshly prepared, some people don't mind. Like for me, really, I think it was really convenient. I could just grab and go. But overall, I really love this hotel. I love the location of the hotel. Literally right there is the shopping center as we have explored earlier. Yes, this is definitely my go-to hotel when I'm here in Batam. Someone changed my mind. Who knows? Maybe there's a better hotel out there. So let me know in the comment section what hotel I should review next. Tag them. Let them know that Khan7 should drop by and do a review. Feel free to let me know in the comment section if there's any more questions that you have about this hotel. I'll be more than happy to answer them to the best of my ability. And that, ladies and gentlemen, brings me to the end of my Nagoya Hill Hotel review and tour. I hope this video has been helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more. So as always, stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.